To apply a firewall rule like opening ports, closing port, or disabling access from a specific IP range, only allowing access from a specific IP range, go to cloud.google.com and click on console. Now in this cloud console, first you need to select the project in which you want to apply your rules. So you can click here and select the project. But in my case, I am already in the project in which I want to apply the rules, so I'll not do anything. Now you can just click here, scroll down till you see VPC network. Now all the instances are inside a VPC network, right? That is virtual private cloud network, right? So you can just click on VPC network, not click on, just hover over it, and this window will pop up, and just click on firewall. And now you can just see the existing rules, and if you want to create a new rule, just click on create new firewall rule. These are the existing rules. You can see the filters to which it applies, port range, priority, and so on. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll just click on create a firewall rule, and let's say you want to enable HTTP traffic, right? HTTP and HTTPS traffic, so they are on port 80 and port 443. So what you can do is just say HTTP traffic, right? And you can write a description: allow all traffic to HTTPS ports. Okay, and what you can do is you can choose a network from here. If you have no network created, just click on default. You can just keep the priority as it is. Here you can see the description: rules with lower numbers get prioritized first. So if you want, you can just set it to 1, 2, but I'll just leave it at default, that is 1000. And this is for ingress. Ingress means incoming traffic. So we are going to allow incoming traffic, right? This rule applies to incoming traffic. That's what ingress means. So what to do when our rule is matched? We allow or deny that traffic. So we will allow because we want people to access our HTTP and HTTPS port. And now which instance does this rule apply to? So by default, if you have one or multiple instances, they will by default be attached to a single VPC. So you can just click on all instances in the network. If you want to just apply this rule to single VM, I'll show you how to do that in just a minute. And source IP range means from where do we allow this traffic. Now we want people to access our website from anywhere, right? In that case, you can just write 0.0.0.0, okay, /0, and no other filters are needed. Okay, so which ports do we want to allow traffic to? So HTTP is TCP. So what you can do is you can just write 80,443. If you want to add a range, let's say you want to allow all the traffic from 10,000 to 20,000, you can just separate them with a hyphen. But we just want to allow to 80 and 443, so you can just have a comma here. And you can leave these as it is and just click on create. And this rule will now be created and applies to this VPC, and our instance is inside this VPC, so it will automatically be applied to our instance. And if you want to check out the rule, here it is: HTTP traffic. It applies to all the targets, all the VM inside our VPC, and it allows traffic to come to 80 and 443 ports. Okay, so we have successfully added a firewall rule. Now I'll just delete this for now because I don't want this actually. And as I promised, if you want to apply this rule to a single instance, you need to add a tag to that instance so that you can identify that instance, and when adding a rule, you can just select that tag from here. Okay, you can just add a tag and write that tag here. Okay, so you can just go to VM instances, select your VM, and add a tag to this VM. To add a tag, you just open it, click on edit, and then add a tag to this VM. And while applying the firewall rule, you enter this tag to that firewall rule, and that rule will be applied only to this instance. Okay, if you have any questions regarding adding firewall rules, let me know in the comments below.